Hey guys, my name is Olga and welcome back to my diary. So today's video is gonna be an unboxing video, and guess what? It's an iPhone 15 unboxing video. I've been using iPhone 11 Pro and my husband has been using iPhone 11 Pro also. So we waited so long to buy an iPhone 15 Pro Max. Last year we wanted to buy it, but for one reason like that, we decided to wait for iPhone 15 Pro Max this year. So finally we ordered for it, and it took us like 3 weeks and to get these two babies. So we ordered for 512 gigabytes of it. Yeah, so that's what we ordered for, and I'm just so excited to unbox it with you all, guys. Here in the UK, 512 gigabyte of iPhone 15 Pro Max is sold for £1,399. So all that being said, I can't wait to open these, like hold the phone, because why not? It's been long, guys. It's been long. I'm even tempted to like open my own and my husband's own, because I know that he doesn't care. Like he really doesn't care. I'm just the one salivating over this, seriously. So yeah, I know that this first one is going to be my own, because finally, see how I'm just opening this thing. I am impatiently opening this, guys. Hey, Kodabego. So yeah, we all went for the blue color, because why not? I love the blue color. Like, I really love the blue color. I don't know why. I was thinking that I would get the pink, but they don't have pink in 15 Pro Max. And because of that, I don't want to step down and get the 15 Pro just because of the pink color that is not even pinking. You know what I mean? So I decided to go for the blue, because yeah, every other color there is not giving me anything. And my husband as well prefers the same color. So yeah, we both got the same color, and yeah, it is what it is. So the only thing that is going to be differentiating our phone is the casing. I got the frame casing for this phone. I came prepared, guys. I came really prepared. So there's nothing much in this iPhone unboxing, actually, because it's just one boring code like that, and the sim Kiniko. So yeah, these are the two things in it, and that's all. And the beautiful phone, guys. This phone is so beautiful. Like, it's even lighter than the iPhone 14 Pro Max that my cousin has. Almost, to even think that I almost bought the iPhone 14 Pro Max, but at the end of the day, we're like, don't worry, just forget about it. Let's just wait for the 15, because at the end of the day, when you get the 14, you'd want to get the 15, but trust me, we held for a very long time, my guy. Like, you can imagine coming from 11 Pro to 15 Pro Max, guys. A lot of differences, a lot. I actually love the fact that you can do a lot with the side buttons now. They've actually changed a lot on the side button, and I just love it. I love everything about it, but I'm yet to see the camera, and I know it's going to wow me. But that being said, here are the casing that I ordered for. Ordered 3 for myself and 3 for my husband. All right, so it's kind of like a thank you for getting this phone for me. Yeah, so the least I could do was to get a bunch of casing for him. Yeah, you know what I mean. So, but yeah, I know that he will so much love that skull one. Like, yeah, a lot of men will. I know what men want, like what he wants. So, but the flattering colors are just mine. But this skull is basically his and 2 others. So I also ordered for a screen protector, and yeah, that's all. So I'm about to dive into see what the phone is all about, there's going to be a lot of changes. You know what I mean? From iPhone 11 Pro to 15 Pro Max. Do you see that gap? The gap is gapping. It's gapping, please. So here I'm basically trying to set it up, which I know is gonna take like maybe 3 to 5 minutes to like completely set up, but some of the setups I'm going to do outside this video, some like the face ID and stuff like that, which is going to like be more privacy. So I'm not gonna do all those things here. I'm just gonna do that outside this video. For the basic ones, I'm just gonna do here. I'm just gonna like select my casing and put my my SIM. So for this UK version of the iPhone, it has a SIM tray. So luckily, I'm just gonna put in my physical SIM. Yay! So like, thank goodness. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the post notification bell, so that when next I drop another video, you'll be among the first to get notified. Bye and stay